Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Easy English Literature. In this video, I will give you a list of all the important dramas that need detailed study for NET and SET exams. मतलब नेट एंड सेट एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो ड्रामाज इम्पॉर्टेंट है जिनकी हमें डिटेल स्टडी करनी है, समरी एक्चुअली एवरीथिंग पढ़ना है, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. हैव डिवाइडेड द लिस्ट इनटू 5 पार्ट्स. ब्रिटिश ड्रामा, American drama, European drama, colonial drama, and Indian dramas. The list includes total 40 writers and about 60 dramas. So be ready with your pen and paper and make your own list. First, I will recite the name of the writer and then the works associated with him. So let's begin. Let's start with British drama from Elizabethan to postmodern age. The first writer is Christopher Marlowe and the work is Dr. Faustus. Second, William Shakespeare and the dramas are King Lear, Hamlet, Othello, Midsummer Night's Dream and Tempest. Third is Ben Jonson and the works are Vulpen and The Alchemist, Everyman in His Humour and Epicene. Fourth writer is Thomas Middleton and the work is The Revenger's Tragedy. Fifth writer is John Webster. John Webster and the dramas are The White Devil and The Duchess of Malfi. Sixth is William Congreve and the work is The Way of the World. Seventh is Ephra Behn. Ephra, A-P-H-R-A, Behn, B-E-H-N, and the work is The Rover. The Rover, R-O-V-E-R. Eighth writer is John Gay and the work is The Beggar's Opera. Ninth, Richard Sheridan and the work is The School of Scandal. The School of Scandal. 10th, Oliver Goldsmith. Oliver Goldsmith. The work is She Stoops to Conquer. She Stoops to Conquer. 11th, Oscar Wilde. There are 2 works of Oscar Wilde. Lady Windermere's Fan. Lady Windermere's Fan and A Woman of No Importance. Then 12th is George Bernard Shaw and the works are Arms and the Man and The Pygmalion. Arms and the Man and The Pygmalion. 13th is T.S. Eliot and the works are The Cocktail Party and Murder in Cathedral. Murder in Cathedral. 14th is Edward Bond. Edward Bond. The work is Lear. L-E-A-R. 15th is John Millington Synge and the work is Riders of the Sea. Riders of the Sea. 16th is Harold Pinter and the works are Birthday Party, Caretaker and The Homecoming. 17th writer is Samuel Beckett and the work is Waiting for Godot. Now let's move to American drama. The 18th writer is Tennessee Williams. Tennessee, T-E-N-N-E-S-S-E. Tennessee Williams and the work is A Streetcar Named Desire and The Glass Menagerie. 19th writer is Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller and the works are All My Sons and Death of a Salesman. 20th writer is Eugene O'Neill. Eugene O'Neill. The works are Long Day's Journey into Night, Harry Ape and The Emperor Jones. 21 is Edward Albee and the work is Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf? 22 is Lauren Hansberry. Lorraine, Lauren Hansberry, and the work is A Raisin in the Sun. A Raisin in the Sun. 23rd is August Wilson. August Wilson. The works are Fences and The Piano Lesson. Now let's move to European drama. The 24th writer is Aeschylus, and the work is Agamemnon. Agememnon. Agamemnon. 25th is Sophocles, and the work is Oedipus Rex. 26th is Euripides, and the work is The Beche. Becchae. The Beche. 27th is Aristophanes, and the work is The Clouds. 28th writer is Luigi Pirandello. Luigi, Luigi. Luigi Pirandello, Pirandello. Luigi Pirandello, and the work is 6 Characters in Search of an Author. 6 Characters in Search of an Author. 29th is Anton Chekhov. Chekhov, Chekhov. Anton Chekhov, and the work is The Cherry Orchard and Uncle Vanya. 30th writer is Goethe. The work is Faust, both the parts, part 1 and part 2. 31st is Bertolt Brecht. Bertolt Brecht, and the works are Mother Courage and Her Children. Mother Courage and Her Children, and the second work is The Life of Galileo. 32nd writer is Eugene Ionesco. Eugene Ionesco, the work is The Chairs. 33 is Albert Camus. Albert Camus, and the work is The Stranger and The Plague. Plague. 34th writer is August Strindberry, and the work is Miss Julie. 35th is Henrik Ibsen. Henrik Ibsen, and the work is Doll's House, Ghost, and An Enemy of People. Doll's House, Ghost, and An Enemy of People. Now let's move to colonial drama. 36th writer is Wole Soyinka. Wole. Wole Soyinka, and the works are The Lion and the Jewel, Death and the King's Horseman. 37th work is Derek Walcott. Derek Walcott, and the work is Dream of Monkey Mountain and Pantomime. First work is Dream of Monkey Mountain, and second is Pantomime. Now let's move to Indian drama. The 38th writer is Girish Karnad. The work is Hayavadna. 39th is Vijay Tendulkar. The work is Silence, the Court is in the Session. And 40th and the last writer is Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani, and the work is Dance Like a Man. तो ये लिस्ट थी सारे राइटर्स और उनके वर्क्स की जिनको हमें डिटेल स्टडी करना है. अगर आपको इसी तरह से नॉवेल्स की लिस्ट, पोइट्री की लिस्ट एज वेल एज शॉर्ट स्टोरी की लिस्ट चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and hit the bell icon. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, all the best and keep learning.